On September 6, 2023, a Facebook user posted a video showing an altercation between a church and a Northville 1B for Turin, Valenzuela City by two unidentified drivers that happened on August 19, 2023 at around 1:22 a.m. In the video, the driver of the Toyota Fortuner brought up an identified caliber of firearm and cocked the same in front of the taxi driver. After the confrontation, said driver left the place. Acting on this, Valenzuela City Police Station conducted an investigation. No reports were made by the complainant to the police and the barangay. 4 teams of dedicated investigators and operatives were immediately activated to identify the parties involved in the incident. CCTV footages were obtained from Barangay Punturin which showed the commotion. The plate number of the white Toyota Fortuner with plate number NBB3135, where one of the motorists alighted and drew a firearm, was seen in the videos during backtracking operations. The plate number of the taxi involved, UVS 970, was also viewed by the investigators. Verification with LTO was made as to the details of the vehicles involved. On September 7, 2023, complainant in this particular incident, the driver of the taxi involved, namely Herminio Daes Ong Jr., also known as Henry, and a resident of Bignay, Valenzuela City, was struck by the investigators. An eyewitness of the incident, namely Nor Isnain Lintua, the live-in partner of Henry, of same address, was also located and invited to this station to give their official statements. Accordingly, the incident emanated after he, Ong, and the driver of the Toyota Fortuner suspect had a slight collision. Afterwards, the said driver and suspect alighted from his driven vehicle and confronted the victim. At the height of their altercation, suspect went back to his vehicle and took his firearm, then cocked the same, then pushed the victim wherein the victim slumped on the pavement. Afterwards, suspect left the place. LTO verification was made to the registered owner of the white Toyota Fortuner bearing plate number NBB3135, wherein it was disclosed that the same was listed under the name of a certain Junilyn Lucena Butler of Poblacion, Makati City. A team of robbers and operatives were dispatched to the said address but later found out that Butler had already left the said place last February 2019. Continuous follow-up operation was made until Butler was finally located on September 7, 2023 at around 12:35 p.m. in Barangay Hulo, Mandaluyong City. During the investigation, Butler presented a deed of sale of the subject vehicle dated October 1, 2021, indicating that the same was already sold to its new owner, namely Ryan Felix Cruz of San Mateo, Rizal. Among the documents presented by Butler to the probers was photocopy of Ryan's driver's license. Tracker team of the station managed to locate Ryan Felix Cruz in San Mateo, Rizal, that person who brought the white Toyota Fortuner bearing plate number NBB3135 from its first owner, Jonilyn Lucena Butler. During the interview, Cruz presented a deed of sale and acknowledgement receipt to prove that the subject vehicle was already sold to a certain Marlon De Jesus Malabute of Gagalangin, Tondo, Manila on July 10, 2022. Likewise, Cruz and her live-in partner, Marilu Solomon Dalisay, were able to positively identify the person in the dashcam footage in the viral video as the same person who transacted with them and bought the white Toyota Fortuner. Furthermore, they executed their sworn statement to attest the veracity of the said reports. Criminal complaints of great threats in relation to RA 10591 and violation of Article 155 under Revised Penal Code Alarm and Scandal have been filed against Malabute before the Valenzuela City Prosecutor's Office. And lastly, shown on the screen is the link diagram of the incident that transpired in Ponturin, Valenzuela City. We can see the relevant positions of victim Henry Ong and witness Norben Lentua in relation to suspect Malabute, and also the drawn firearms of the suspect. The white Toyota Fortuner was traced to Jonilyn Butler, first owner, later bought by Ryan Felix Cruz, second owner, and finally bought by Marlon De Jesus Malabute, third owner and suspect in this particular case.